Hey people, see who I have with me, my little superstar. So this is Happy, and as you can see, Happy has a very busy schedule. Regardless of your and my schedule, this little rabbit is on a mission, and he has like a he nahi, it's a she. In fact, she has a big to-do list for the day of getting cuddles and just purring and so many things to do. It's a busy day, but really, yeah, I wish I could do more rabbit videos. Actually, she's black, my hair is black, you can't make out. But the thing is, with rabbits, it's a very I mean, to she's one of the calmer variety of rabbits. Normally, rabbits are very busy. They are like busy animals. Like in terms of that's what no when they are in their my entire balcony is dedicated to these little. Like normally, I always have two rabbits, so this is one rabbit here. So that's what, yeah. I just thought I should do this right. And she is purring right now. Purring is when they make this chattering with their teeth, like something like that. It's like a rabbit purr, because rabbits are very silent creatures. So yeah, I can go on speaking, but since I always like to make my video only 1 minute long, I think I'll catch up with you all soon enough. Oh God, this lady is a busy lady. Okay, there she's on my lap. Oh, she's licking me. So on that note, thanks for watching people and please subscribe.